237 people have died. This is just so terrible and heartbreaking. I can well imagine the plight of the kin of those people who've died in this horrific accident. 237 people, that's the death toll in this horrible accident that we're reporting on. Indrajit continues to be with us. Indrajit, you were just telling us about the fact that death toll could increase, and we have the latest figures of 237 with us now.
Sneha, and you know what, Sneha, we've all traveled in trains. You know, this is we've all have our memories of fond memories of train journey. This is not the kind of visual that we are prepared for in a train compartment. Look what we are seeing inside this train. You know, all these sleeper coaches, they are hanging. It's completely mangled. There is glass pieces everywhere. The window panes have been completely shattered, and in several parts, some of these coaches are completely, they have turned turtles. So if my camera person can show, Prashun, if you can zoom in and show, look at the devastation there on that side where, another coach has collided with this one. It's completely devastated, and you can imagine the kind of, what went through with the passengers there. Coromandel Express, mind you, is a very, very popular train. It's a train which a lot of people take, especially from West Bengal, who want to, visit various locations in South India, especially to Chennai. A lot of people come for treatment, and I will give you the sense on another track, just adjacent to the track. This is the other track where you can see how two coaches have, rammed onto each other. I can see the engine of a coach there, and there is another one. So I'm standing here on this train. Rescue operations are almost over, it seems, but they are still trying to figure out whether or not somebody is trapped in this coach. And I will try and go down and show you. NDRF officials, railway officials, they're trying to cut into using gas cutters and entering these coaches to figure out whether or not anybody is stuck in these coaches. But look at the kind of destruction that has happened, and this is something which is unthinkable, because there are not just two trains colliding against each other. There are three trains. First there is a collision, and then there is another train which comes in and collides with the debris of the first two trains, and that has given rise to this catastrophic disaster that is unfolding before our eyes. Look at this place. Unbelievable. It's such a Herculean task for the agencies to break into these coaches and look for possible dead bodies. That's the unfortunate part. We can see belongings of passengers in this fateful train left behind, shoes. Possibly a lot of people, whose belongings have been left behind. They may not be, alive anymore, and that's the tragedy of this place.